Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we want to talk about the how to design a 3D printable file using AI. First of all, I want to introduce the Meshy AI, a great and complete and suitable AI for this work. After we search the Meshy AI in the field of the results, the first site we click on it, then we face this view and colorful site. After that we sign up using our Google account. We can describe our idea. What if you could generate a fully 3D printable key just by typing a few words? No modern skills needed. In this video, I will show you exactly how to do it using Mushy AI, and we are even going to having a 3D file of it. So let's dive in. After that, you searching in the site and seeing different models for having and resulting a great idea, you need to clear idea. So I want for example, I want a decorative vintage key, something like a skeleton key with intricate details. So I will head the Meshy's text to 3D tool. My prompt is a detailed vintage brass skeleton key with orange bow, game ready asset, 3D printable. I will type it here, and if you have any image that you want to use it on your 3D file, you click on this. Okay, I will type my prompt here. After typing the prompt, we would face the site and tools like this. As you can see, we have the different options like image to 3D, batch image to 3D, text to 3D, and so on. As you can see, we can use these models, and for the new ones you can write your prompt here. Also, there are an assistant AI for your prompt and different customizations, things and tools for you to have an easy 3D file. As you can see, there are different descriptions that they are so helpful for you. For example, this, as you can see and read them about the details about the AI model and so on. Then we face this environment and this site with these tools. We can see here our assets, what we prompt and we design for 3D models, also our image from here, and something like image to 3D, text to 3D, what I am using now, and batch image to 3D. As you can see, you can using different things from here. And also here you for having new textures or new 3D models, we can write your prompt from here or assist another AI from here for writing the prompt. And using different models, as you can see here are the descriptions from what you needed, and you customize from your own idea. If you like the video, please like, subscribe and support us and you can see our another videos from the channel and different works that we do together. Thank you. Meshy gives you several previews in under a minute. I will pick the one that has the cleanest solid and the least floating geometry. This one looks stunning. You can refine it with the AI texture from here, with the AI texture, or just get the base mesh. For 3D printing, I will point at it, let's do adding the textures. From here we click this and using 10 coin, and then we face this model. You can see the color and zoom it to see how great it is, and another details like volume, water type, and so on. If you want to repair it, you need to upgrade your plan. And from here we can see the different models, from the different models to what you want. And here is the display settings, fire on or off. This is for an advanced textures for 3D printing. I will turn it off and change the colors, base color, and so on. You can see as you want. Okay, for 3D printing, we use these keys. We can use these tools for adding different things. For example, adding bases like this, rotate it, changing the scales. As you can see, this is a great one, and changing the type of the base. For example, classic, nature, fantasy, board game. This is the nature one. I have a poor internet. This is a delay for download it. As you can see, we can moving this from what we wanted to be our 3D printers. This is the board game models, and here we are.